Fabio Gama is set for Kumasi Asante Kotoko return. It has been confirmed said the player is open for an Asante Kotoko return. Na details and more on Semone Etese Ankasa Abubakar said Kumasi Asante Kotoko signed Fabio Gama, offensive midfielder, in 2021 August thereabout. Or exactly 1 year and winning the Ghana Premier League with Coach Prosper Ogum in the 2021-2022 Ghana Premier League. No, I finished so no, and a Fabio Gama a fan bag say untimi entoa osom no subio or the adwuma ebesi. Now Fabio Gama after so calling muna currently as we speak or a free agent. Because a free agent he's not attached with any football club. Now, according to a deep throat sources, a snippet of the information leak on social media and also say Fabio Gama open for Kumasi Asante Kotoko return on this condition. The condition is that Fabio say if Kumasi Asante Kotoko are ready to meet the office now. This is because the office are now quiz kasem because Fabio no time no about 2021 crash can no genya asem keto and this no wasa call Brazil akwa bruchire ni ade inti no the market value no who ni say obesa ba Sakotoko ready to meet his offer nkwade as a free agent. He's very open to rejoin coach or boane pa we Brazil okoye no summertime no namze o chele wo nwure mo ne mo ano animal rearing na dia the conversation has sparked on social media. Say Kumasi Asante Kotoko Ogum Fabio Bekono coach ba ko Dana se pan ya Prosper Ogum o se Prosper Ogum eboa ne pa o shepi ne apa mani a very good player and eboa ma Kumasi Asante Kotoko JSA League no and Fabio Gama the first Brazilian wabo Kumasi Asante Kotoko waje Ghana League. It's news no. Says it's me meet terms in the